Hey everyone, it's me Tiffany, aka It's Me Lady G, coming to you with another video. And today I'm doing an unboxing, and I haven't done one in God knows how long. So I'm very excited to do one today, especially because it is baby themed. And if you don't know, I am, oh, you can't see here, but I'll put a picture. I am pregnant, and so I'm trying to get ready for the baby. I'm actually 8 months pregnant right now. So yeah, baby's coming soon. But what I'm really excited about is partnering with Babylist to give you a preview, or unboxing obviously, of their Hello Baby box, which is something that you get when you register with them. And what is Babylist? You're like, what is Babylist? Babylist is a website that's made to make it really easy for you to register for things that you want for your baby, that's when your baby's coming, and in preparation for your baby shower or people giving you gifts. And instead of having different stores that you would go and register for, you would just register at Babylist.com, and you can add things from wherever you want and put it in one place instead of having it in a bunch of different places. And it's super easy. I'm trying to complete mine because my baby shower is in a couple of weeks. So there's always like a million things to do, but this makes it easier both for you and for your guests. So it is a really good website, and I think that everybody should go and check it out, especially if you are expecting. But this Hello Baby box is a box that you will get when you register. The box actually contains a bunch of different samples from different companies and coupons and things that you can go and check out. Once you start digging in the box, you'll start seeing things that you know that are good for you, that may not be good for you, but may be good for you, and you can go and check those companies out. But it's really great to get it all in one box, and it can kind of give you, just point you in the right direction, basically. If you've been following me on Instagram, or if you have been on my YouTube channel for a while, thank you so much. I know that I'm actually this is my second child, but my kids are gonna be 8 years apart. So I'm literally starting all over again. So it is, you would think, there's certain things that I know that I may need or may not need, like just certain novelty things that I might not need, but there are some things that I do need, and I have not kept anything. Plus, they're two different sexes. I'm having a girl and I have an 8-year-old boy. So I'm just starting completely over. So having this box to kind of point me in the right direction and refresh my memory is really, really helpful. When you open the box, you get this super cute little card. It has like 2 different things on it. It has, today I got my Hello Baby box from Babylist, and you can put your registry information down there. And it also comes with these cards, which are really, really, really cute and nice to add into the invitations. They also include this list, this like journey kind of guide, which is really helpful, because like I had to remember, oh yeah, you need an infant seat and a convertible car seat, so it has these different things that you can just keep in mind and register for when you are on the website. Also have like pricing information, which is kind of just general, which is really, really helpful, because some people, you may want to splurge for certain things, and certain things you may want to just not on. Also have this part here, don't forget about yourself, which is what moms do all the time. We forget about ourselves. Like, I started to realize, oh yeah, I do need like breastfeeding stuff for myself. So this is really helpful. I'm really glad that they put this in there. Speaking of breastfeeding, in my box I got a breastfeeding starter pack, because again, I don't have anything from my first child. I don't have anything left. Breastfeeding starting pack comes from Kind. I hope I'm saying it right. In this package, it says it has 1 pre-sterilized twist breast milk storage pouch with twist locking cap, 2 direct adapters. It's 1 squeeze natural feeding bottle, and 1 slow flow active latch nipple with case. Actually has a 50% off coupon for the other things in the system. What's really great is that if you were even interested, in the slightest, but you were just curious about the whole system, you have a starter pack here, and you can check it out for yourself before you go and invest in the whole system. And even when you do, you now have 50% off. Next thing they have in the box is from Pampers. It is the Mom to Be registry gift. I already opened it, sorry. In the package, you have 1 newborn diaper. And I always say that, always buy some newborn diapers, because my son, he was smaller than we expected. Not smaller, but he could only fit into newborn diapers. So we didn't have any, because everybody had bought us like size 1. So having even like 1 newborn diaper is super, super helpful, because that's what happened. We had to run out when we were on the way home and get newborn diapers because we just didn't have any in the house. I have a small pouch of wipes, which you can never have enough wipes. Never, ever, ever, ever. Whenever I go somewhere and they're giving out samples of wipes, you pick them up because you can just have them and throw them in your bag even later, and you can still use wipes when your kids get older. Why? Because they're always into dirty things. And then they also have coupons in there, which are great and always helpful. Even having the little pouch is helpful because sometimes maybe you want to put whatever your things or something that may not spill, that you would be afraid of spilling because it has like a liner on it. So having these little things are helpful. Don't get rid of those things even as the baby gets a little older. In the box, we also have some samples from Cetaphil. I think I'm saying it right. Cetaphil, we have the gentle cleanser and also the lotion, and we have a bunch of different like bigger size ones, so it's not just like, you know, a one and done. You can use this a couple of times and you can use it for yourself, you know, because who can't have enough lotion? I use way too much lotion. But you have the lotion here, you have the moisturizing oil, the wash and shampoo, and then you also have the diaper cream. But you have small sample sizes of those smaller ones, and then you can travel sizes rather, and then you can put them in there if you wanted to. How convenient. Also in the box is more breastfeeding things. See, they're really pushing breastfeeding, which is great. From Lanzano, we also have the 2 disposable nursing pads and 2 breast milk storage bags, which are great because you will use them. I had so much breast milk that when I had actually my supply went lower with my son, but I had froze so much that we were good for a while before, you know, like I had to really worry about it too much. So you have 2 of them in here, and also the nursing pads, which you put in your bra because you may have some leakage. Just for the new moms, just like, you know. Having the couple samples again still is really, really helpful, and you can put them all together in the travel bag. Look at that, look how that works out. In the travel bag, and keep it all with you in the baby bag if you wanted to, because you never know when you'll need them. These, you will need them, okay? You will need them regardless of whether you're breastfeeding or not. You're gonna need them, and just having them on hand, even just a couple ones, lifesaver. The last couple things in the box are just information and coupons. What we have here is from Urban Sitter. We have a $50 baby sitting gift card, which, you know, if you're looking for a babysitter, that will come in handy. The last thing the box also had was an information card rather about the Tranquilo soothing mat. It says it is a vibrating mat that mimics mother's womb, okay? But you go and check that out because I didn't know anything about it. See all these new things that they're coming out with? It doesn't that baby look very, very peaceful? Don't we all want that? But that's it. I have shown you everything that's in the Hello Baby box from Babylist. Again, Babylist is great because it's just the one website that you can go and register for and add things from different stores. You don't have to be running around and sending everybody a bunch of lists for a bunch of different stores, and you can just have it nice and easy for you because you don't need the stress and they don't need the stress. That's it for today. Thanks again to Babylist for sponsoring this video. If you want any more information about Babylist or the box, just check in the description box below. I'm gonna have all the links for everything and you can go and check that out. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to do that and hit the like button and share with all your friends, whether they're expecting or not, because you never know when you might need when a baby will pop up somewhere. But thanks again for listening. Hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time.